Is the $5 just parking? What's
$5 per person. Children 2 and under are free.
Right.
And then what you do is you go on the phone.
Parking fee is really a sampling fee.
Hill, ano yan? Ice? Konting ice, di ba?
Konting ice na may tubig.
Good morning, Philippines!
Paalis kami, guys. That's my bok choy.
Oh, your seeds.
The bok choy is here. Yung in-order ko na bok
That life, that's you, right?
That's you.
That's yours, I think.
Okay, let me see. I guess this is the bill. Just keep going. Nothing. It's not a bill. Important information about your palate.
That fan is everywhere.
Give it to me.
I got it. I don't need help.
Oh my God.
That's why I always keep throwing flannels. I like that. Easy. What's making noise?
That's your freaking wire. Antenna.
Arrows?
Yeah. Yeah, and then you're going to walk, so. So we're gonna go apple picking with friends. It's just strawberries. Yeah.
Not apple season yet.
Nope.
Long way to go.
The apple is, I don't know, October. And yun, let's slow down here. It's very tight here. It's very. Look at that guy. He will jump.
Quarter mile. Turn left.
Turn left somewhere. Quarter mile. I will let you know. Slow down.
Right there, what a sign telling you.
Yeah, over there.
Oh, it's up further, obviously.
Turn left.
Quarter mile. Turn right. Turn right here. Oh, nice places.
Continue straight.
How are you doing business in these back roads like people ever find them?
What kind of car is that? Look, that's a nice car. Hold, slow down, slow
It's
down.
very hot.
Slow down, that's a nice
How
one.
sexy is that fucking car?
Oh, for sale? For sale.
I like it.
Look at going.
I don't know what he wants for it.
For sale. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Nice house, guys. Nice. Nice houses. Turn left right here. Soon. Not here. Not here.
Anyway, I like that. Very Indian.
Very Indian. Okay, it's right there. This is rugged road. Please slow down with your car.
Turn left. Then your destination will be on the right.
Okay, we're here. So where are we going? Oh shit, it's really slow down, and there's a lot of bumpy here. Bumpy humpy. Please do not enter private drive.
Open Valley go for.
I have corn. It's a cornfield.
Children of the corn.
Cornix. Oh, the people over there. Oh, their vegetables start growing. That's a bell pepper over there. This one right here. Stop. Okay, they're coming here. What is the admission? $5 per person? Seriously?
Yeah. Did you not notice?
They don't even have free. They should be having free.
I don't know.
Because in the other one, they have free.
I do not know. $5 per person. $10. What do you get for your $10? You get the park?
I don't know. Admission only? Seriously. That's why no, it's not busy here compared to the other one, honey. Pack of people. That's why over here they're not really ano. Oh, naitao na dun, oh. I guess this guy.
Oh, I guess they give you a little bag. Your admission, so you can fill that bag.
So may entrance pa sila dito, guys. Kasi yung isa, yung pinuntahan namin ni Lo, wala silang entrance. Pero ito, may entrance sila. $5. And this one ahead, the other car ahead in front of us seems like she's explaining because she's not giving money. So I guess they have to turn. Yeah, they're not going to pay.
How are we doing today?
Good, how are you?
All right. Is the $5 just parking? What's
$5 per person. Children 2 and under are free.
Right.
And then what you do is you go on the farm, you come park down there, go by the lady with the red umbrella. She'll give you supplies and she'll tell you everything we're picking. You go out, pick what you like, come back, everything is by the pound.
Okay. So basically $5 per parking.
$5 per person admission.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Admission.
So how much per pound at the strawberry?
The strawberries are $6.50 a pound. And then we have vegetables like spinach, Swiss chard, kale, mustard greens, beet greens, things like that.
Okay.
Okay?
We just go down here and
Yep,
park.
so I'll give you this. This is our COVID guidelines. This is a bag for any personal belongings that you might want to bring into the farm, like a pocketbook, a cell phone, a water bottle.
Okay.
All right, so park down here. Go right down to that lady by the red umbrella and she'll get you started.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Well, we're waiting for another couple. So.
Okay, okay.
$10 to park your car. Give me a minute. You think they give you like a £1 free or something for that? Nothing. $10 just to park.
I wish I knew. Sorry, hon. Bang bang! Didn't even notice that we're here. Hello. Hon? They're here, guys. Mas, grabe ang init. What do you think?
Hi!
It's $5, diba?
Nakapunta na ako dito, nakalimutan ko lang.
Look, it's $5 each person. What the heck?
First time
Over there. We use his car. He fixed it. Finally.
That's okay na. Punta mo na.
$5 per person.
Dala, tignan mo.
Yeah, pretty much. Most of these places you can just get it for free and then they
Yeah,
charge you.
even if they charge you, parking should be per car, not per person. You had 6 people with us.
Yeah.
How are we gonna pay? $30 to park?
Yan, ganyan din siya. Wala, it's grabe kainit.
Sending you down to field 3 and go to the furthest rows all the way down in the strawberry patch. Okay?
So, ito daw yung strawberry nila, guys.
That's field 2.
That's just two.
That's
Where's
field 2,
three?
so I guess we'll keep going.
There's nothing.
So that's three probably back there.
Over there, probably. Wala naman, oh. I think that's cabbage, oh.
Kale.
Oh, that's kale?
Yeah.
Oh, is that how that's how
but
kales
there's
look
nothing.
like? Wow.
Not ready yet.
Ang laki. Ang laki ng farm. Stami, oy. Ganyan ang stami. Complaining.
Oh yeah, what we get off? Yeah.
Asa din mga gulay nila?
Wala namang buga.
I cannot pick anything. There's nothing here.
Okay, let's go to
Yeah, a bunch of dead plants.
Alright, let's spread
Go all
out.
the way to the end of it.
Let's find them.
Wala mga strawberry, guys. Oo, mas yung pasiloy di, guys. Marami pa daw doon sa Pilipinas kaysa dito. Wala man, guys. Wale. Tignan niyo si Lloydie, guys. Jumping.
Ayaw, parehas ng mainit.
Ayaw nila, no? Mag-pick lang ako ng konti, be, kasi ang mahal na pala ng per pound nila, be.
Parang pumunta tayo dito para magbilad ha.
At saka magbayad sa parking.
Oo nga, ano.
It's
Nagbilad si Tommy.
ayaw niya ng mga ganun, be. Parang
Next time, pag nag-apple picking tayo, huwag tayo dito.
doon tayo sa pinuntahan namin ni Lu.
May alam din si Mark, mas maganda dito.
Talaga.
Oo. Doon din mga bago pang apple.
Po, sira naman ito.
Hmm?
Okay, they're not good. Okay, let's look for if vegetables. Wala talaga, guys. Oh, it's so hot. I can't do it. Let's go find vegetables, be. That's very tiny. I'm not picking it up if it's tiny, be. Okay ka lang, be?
Yep.
Be. Hala ka.
Pati sa itlog ng apple.
Wala, ano ba to?
Parking fee is really a sampling fee.
And apple picking, we need to go to the apple picking we went before. Ang ganda din din.
Near Meeple. New Pulse.
You want those?
What kind of apple you guys like?
You can get Red Delicious,
Oo,
Scala.
pangit ah.
You can get what are those types of apples? What's the yellow apple?
Oh, golden delicious.
Gold, yeah, golden. Yeah.
Oh, if this place is any indication, that's tough to grow.
The one that I have in the house, it's bigger than this.
So we should just pick them at the house.
I have only 3.
Well, look how quick it would be. You wouldn't be sweating.
Kita ka na, be? Kain ka, konti, be. Si Lloydie, guys. Nag-farming na si Lloydie.
To bring Tom and the Philippines in Baguio.
Baguio? I never been in Baguio, be.
I bring Mark in Baguio.
Strawberry ice cream.
Yeah, there's a strawberry.
Banana ice cream.
Taho, a strawberry.
Taho?
Mm.
Really?
Strawberry ice cream.
They're going to ask you, would you like to try? And then after it, okay, you have to buy. And there's a lot of vegetables also there.
You guys don't get any, like, you don't get sick, be. Oh, Mark doesn't get sick.
Oh, what happened to you, hon?
I got a stomach ache one day. That was it though. I've never been sick though.
Okay.
Saan ang gulay?
This good. I think this enough.
What are you gonna make with those?
This one?
Yeah. What do you want to make?
Oh. What, the strawberry?
Yeah.
Like it, what do you mean? Smoothie?
Smoothie.
Shake? Like shake. Yeah.
Shot.
Can I go closer? Tommy!
Sit down.
Oh my god.
Last year you guys were here?
Oh,
It might have been
lucky.
them. Tag.
Hello.
It's okay, puppy.
Hello.
It's okay, puppy.
It's like a lion.
Yeah, we usually look at he's got
Oh, he's a master.
surgery, and we can't really have the dogs down here with like everybody covering themselves.
What kind of surgery?
Yeah, he broke his leg surgery back there. Gotta get a.
He's been doing okay. I mean, obviously it's still bothering him.
Yeah, it was last week. He's doing really, really good. It's crazy.
That kind of dog we dog. It's a good girl
Good
dog.
puppy.
Lay down, bud.
Good puppy.
He is a good puppy. He's only like 1.5. Oh. He's got a brother too.
Yeah, 1 year. 1 year.
He's
brother's
not
out
there.
there
He's
looking
like
for you.
How old is she? Is she?
both 1.5.
1.5. Wow.
They're like 200 pounds.
Wow. Han.
Yeah. Sit.
He'll eat more than you.
Yeah, sure. There you go.
Oh, what a good. Is this a she or he? A she or he?
He. Both
He.
boys.
He's a good
Oh.
puppy.
Yeah, he has a good boy.
Okay guys, ito yung nakuha namin. Ang liit. Ang liit niya at saka sobrang konti lang. Look, ganyan siya. Look. Kaluka. How much is this?
What?
How much is this?
I don't know, like $6, $5. Guys, here's the deal. You're paying per person to park. So you're paying $5 per person. If you come with 4 people, right, you're paying $20 just to park. They don't give you a free pound or something with that. No, that's just to park. Instead of charging you per car, they charge you per person, which is ridiculous. Then they send you out the fields, and the biggest strawberry you got is the size of a cocktail peanut. And you're lucky you could find. We couldn't even get a pound's worth. So then they charge you $6.50 a pound. You get them for $4 a pound in the supermarket. You get real strawberries. But you know, if you park for free and you say, "Well, I came here and I walked all this stuff and for nothing," that's one thing. But sit there and pay to park per person in a vehicle. Then they charge you for the box to put the strawberries in, even though they know there are no strawberries. Yeah, don't waste your money.
Yeah, we pay $1 for the box, even though they know, because guys, konti na lang talaga yung strawberry, as in maliit. It's very tiny, small strawberries, and
You
you
show
can.
them what you get.
Yeah, I know. I've been vlogging over there, so it's crazy. My goodness.
There's not one bigger than my thumbnail.
Okay, right.
So
This is my first time strawberry picking. It's already kind of like.
okay. I know I had this stupid idea, but
Honey. It's not a good experience. Turn right here. Nasa likuran namin sila Lloydie, guys. It's a bad experience.
Yeah, she didn't get anything.
She doesn't get anything, and they just pay for $10.
The only vegetable I had that little white crab too.
Yeah. Look at my annoying husband here, guys. Yeah. Do you have the thing already there, Han?
I do.
Hala. So, mag-storm na ata, guys. It's stormy. And this is what we got from the, from the strawberry picking. Maliit talaga siya in person, guys. As in, sobrang liit. So, unhappy with it. Oh my God, so thundery na talaga.
I don't know if MaryAnn saw Jaws either, honestly.
The what?
Jaws.
Jaws?
Jaws.
What is that?
There you go.
Jaws?
I don't know what is that.
Really? You don't know Jaws?
No, what is that?
Oh, okay.
It's a horror movie.
A horror one?
Sort of.
She doesn't even like horror before. When I was here,
Yeah.
It
we're
can,
trying to watch like a horror in both like. Oh.
we cannot handle horror. I can't.
Bili ko muna sa biya, gamitin ko mamaya. Sarap.
Okay. Are you sure?
Gusto niya.
Wala akong
Sabi
rice.
ko kahit anong pansit sa kanya. Basta pansit.
Kain siya pansit. Ano, ibibig lang natin siya, pagluto na, i-broil natin siya. Alam mo dahil i-broil siya, kasi parang nagpa-fry siya sa ibabaw.
Saan ko siya broil?
Diyan lang, broil man yan, mag-broil.
Ay, ano dito?
Oo.
Akala ko.
Yeah. Wow, it's raining, Han. It's your favorite time, Han. Are you okay? Huh? You like thunder, Han?
Rain is not good for your house. So yeah.
Huh?
Yes, I like thunder.
So what is raining over there too?
Of course.
Hala. Do you wanna run later with me? Nagluto si Tami, guys, kasi sila Lloydie. Hindi ko na-publish pa. Kasi meron pa talaga. Ito, kakain daw si Lloydie nito, guys. Anong tawag nito, milkfish?
Bangos.
Bangos. Ano yun, parang may ano na ba siya? Salted na, di ba? Yan. Bangos from Sarangani. Anong meron sa labas, Ang ulan, be? Hill? Ano yan? Ice? Konting ice, di ba?
Konting ice na may tubig.
Konting ice na may tubig. Kaya si Tami, guys,
Kulamig.
nagmamadali yung sasakyan niya. Takot yan, parang ano yan sa sasakyan niya. Oo, kasi
Hindi naman basta-basta maano eh.
mag-ano kasi, di ba? Pero hindi naman, nagmi-melt naman. Di ba? Nag-melt agad. Takot siyang madinta.
Nag-ano naman siya pero hindi siya agad-agad na.
Smoker chin. Maraming nagsasabi sa inyo, guys, na si Tami is smoker chin. Chin ba yun? Chin. How you pronounce it, Lee? Smoker chin? Chin smoker?
Cheese more.
So, yun. Ganyan na si Tami.
Andiyan yung asawa ko.
Andun, asawa niya doon. Doon na lugar na yun. Kita niya. Si Marky Queens.
Marcos.
Marcos. Ito na guys, luto na yung ano natin. Yung isda natin. Binibake lang at saka binobroil para mag-brown yung ibabaw. And nanonood sila ng movie. What movie? Title?
Trading Places.
Trading Places. Pinapanood ko yan the other day with Tommy. Nakakatawa yan. Hello guys! Good evening! It's already 9 o'clock na ng gabi. Yes, it's 9 o'clock. Hi, Diam! Hi, baby! Hello! You guys sleeping here? Oh my goodness! You guys are sleeping? Oh my goodness! Anyway guys, good night! Kanina lang sila uloy di umalis. And then, ang anek dito is, ano tayo ng mukha? Time to linis-linis the face. And it's because it's 9 o'clock. Nanonood kami ng Welcome to America. Kasi sabi kasi ni Lloydie, ang nakakatawa daw. Sobrang tawa ko eh. Grabe. Nakakatawa. So, pinapanood namin ni Tammy. Yan. Eddie Murphy movie. Nakakatawa si Eddie Murphy eh. Anyway guys, I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I hope I will see you guys tomorrow. Anyway guys, good night. See you tomorrow. Bye. Good night. Blurry. Good night guys. See you tomorrow.